Hi comrades, yours KVS. There is a serious problem prevailing among the postal operative employees, particularly the sub-postmasters, the post-attached quarters. Whether the quarters is fit or unfit for occupation, whether the quarters is required or not required for the incumbent SPM working in that office. It is mandatory and compulsory that the official should reside in the post-attached quarters offered for the post of SPM. This is the order. Even under the Rule 37, the postmaster has to take bed in the office. Earlier, there were some contributory negligences cases. There was a loot, there was a burglary taken place in the post office, quarters post office. The SPM was residing upstairs in the quarters on the particular date of the burglary. But the SPM was charge sheeted under the contributory negligence factor, as if he has not taken bed inside the post office as per the rule. And thereafter, we have gone to the CAT and that order has been quashed and the recovery has been stopped. That is a different issue. But that order is not yet revised. The order still remains. So the postmaster has to take bed in the office, in the quarters office. Even some places, the quarters are unfit for occupation, either in dilapidated condition or not having the sufficient accommodation which is required for a decent living in the quarters. Even those places also, the postmasters were compelled. And moreover, they have not been drawn with the due HRA because they have already given with the post-attached quarters, the HRA has been denied. And also in some other cases, in some B-class offices, after the promotion of the postmaster, the PA just recruited within 2 years or 3 years, they are being compelled to work as a postmaster of that quarters office. And they have also denied the due HRA because the quarter is vacant, the regular incumbent has gone, even for the officiating arrangement. As per the existing orders, only up to 90 days HRA can be drawn. Thereafter, no HRA was drawn to the incumbent sub-PM who is officiating in the post. This is a very serious problem countering in the, so far the Group C employees concerned, so far these post-attached quarters. A serious demand has been perused for more than 10 years. When I was the General Secretary, this was very seriously discussed and later on it is being pursued repeatedly. Now the department on 16/11/2021 has sent a letter to all the Chief Postmaster General seeking their views before 30/11/2021 whether the quarters is required. Whether the post-attached quarters is required, since most of the unions are saying that there is no need for the post-attached quarters and they are having the loss in payment of HRA and these are all not required at this juncture, and whether it can be accepted. This was the question made in the 16/11/2021 instruction seeking the opinion and feedback of all the circles. I am requesting all the Chief Postmaster General, they will be in favor of this proposal. Actually, they know very well, in most of the cases, the quarters are unfit for occupation. Even the suspension of quarters could not be issued due to various constraints and the officials are put in great loss. I am confident and let us be hopeful also that the department will issue orders soon for delinking of the post-attached quarters permanently with the incumbent sub-PM of the quarters office, and all the post-attached quarters will be declared as a no quarters office hereafter. This is our expectation. Let us hope for the best. Let us expect a good order from the department soon. With this I am concluding. Thank you very much, comrade. Meet again. Yours KVS.